Click Back Home. Choosing Materials. Click to create the runway circle-U shape. Enter the diameter and side length of the circle you need to make in the graphics. When we enter the radius 500, the circle parameter comp in SADI on column will automatically fill in the value. If you want to do other sizes of diameter run to the circle-U shape, you need to recommission the corresponding diameter size of the circle, and then runway circle-U shape commissioning. Manual feeding to the location in the video. We will just measure the round actual strength and tooling location values. Fill in the corresponding space. After filling in the values, click positive bend and positive respectively to make the mold and automatic tooling arrive at the specified position. Fill in the column of feeding length. The initial value of this value needs to refer to the arc length value. We will subtract 100 from the arc length value for testing. Click on the feeding. Observe the shape of the material. If the opening is large, you need to switch to step feed mode. Fill in an increase in value, here 10 mm for example. If the gap is large, you can increase this value. Fill in the value and click feeding. Each click needs to be recorded manually on top of the previous value to increase this value. Such as click once is +10, click 10 times is plus. The smaller the angle between the two sides. Decrease this value if the opening is small. Change the value to negative and then test it. When the upper and lower sides are in parallel, slightly increase step feed so that the two sides of the opening slightly narrow. The goal is to make the actual angle smaller because of gravity. At this point, calculate the sum of the incremental value and the initial value. Fill in the arc length and click Save. Select the runway circle-U shape to start the automatic machining. The distance between the two domes of the runway circle is measured, and the actual length of the side is obtained by subtracting the diameter of the circle from this distance. The set length of the side is subtracted from the measured length of the side, and the resulting value is filled into the circular RUNWA. Linear compensation. Linear comp. Click Save. The U shape requires measuring the vertical distance from the feed head to the dome.